The military exploits of Fidel Castro, the leader of Cuba, continues to divide opinions between Ethiopians and Somalis on the day Castro died in Havana, aged 90 years. Please subscribe Warrior Princess channel and open notification bell. Don't forget to like the video. Thank you. In February 1977, Castro okayed the deployment of 1,000 of soldiers under the leadership of one General Arnoldo Arco to help Ethiopia in a war against neighboring Somalia. The troops went to support the regime under Mengistu Haile Mariam to annex the Ogaden region. Haile Mariam, who was the leader of the communist military junta, was later shown in a famous photo with Castro after Cuban troops successfully defeated the Somali army. Somalia at the time, albeit allies of Ethiopia, believed they were winning the war but forcefully surrendered the Ogaden Plateau to the 17,000 Cuban soldiers. Many Somalis blamed Fidel Castro and the 15,000 Cuban soldiers he sent to reinforce Ethiopian troops during the war for Ogaden in 1977 for being the catalyst that destroyed the hope for Somaliland or Greater Somalia. Siad Barre, confident with Somalia's military prowess and emboldened by Mengistu Haile Mariam's struggle to consolidate power, launched an invasion into Ethiopian-held Ogaden. After a string of initial victories, the Somali National Army, SNA, occupied almost 90% of the Ogaden. Ultimately, the Soviet Union was forced to choose between two allies and abandoned Somalia in favor of Ethiopia. The Soviets trained 50,000 Ethiopians, sent military hardware, and sent between 15,000 to 17,000 Cuban soldiers, the Iran news portal stated. In the wake of his death, Somalia and Ethiopians on social media have been expressing mixed reactions on the death. The Somali reactions: if it wasn't for Fidel Castro's interference, Ogaden would be in Somalia today. The Ethiopian reactions: a great man and a true friend of Africa passed away. He will always be remembered as a heroic figure in Ethiopia. Okay guys, I believe Somalia, and I know Somali people, they are heroes. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, and come to chat with me comments. See you next video. I love you all.